Comparative adjectives. How well do you really know them? What is a comparative adjective? Imagine you're comparing two apples. One apple might be bigger than the other. Bigger is the comparative adjective. So, a comparative adjective is a word that helps you to see the difference between two things. Examples: tall, taller; heavy, heavier; large, larger; big, bigger; famous, more famous; good, better; fast, faster; hot, hotter. Game instructions. Look and compare the given pictures. Answer the questions by using comparing adjectives. The group that has the most points will win the game. Which fades faster? A fresh flower left in a vase of water, or a fresh flower left on a table without water? Answer. A fresh flower left on a table without water fades faster than a fresh flower left in a vase of water. Which is louder? The sound of thunder during a storm, or the sound of a friend whispering in class? Answer. The sound of thunder during a storm is louder than the sound of a friend whispering in class. Which is bigger, Russia or Canada? Russia is bigger than Canada. Which is heavier, a sack of cotton or a sack of rocks? Answer. A sack of rocks is heavier than a sack of cotton. Which is heavier, blue whale or elephant? Answer. A blue whale is heavier than an elephant. Which is more expensive, jet or sports car? Answer. A jet is more expensive than a sports car. Which is slower, snail or caterpillar? Answer. A snail is slower than a caterpillar. Which is faster, cheetah or jaguar? Answer. A cheetah is faster than a jaguar. Which has more stars? The night sky on a clear night or the night sky on a cloudy night? Answer. The night sky on a clear night has more stars than the night sky on a cloudy night. Which is shorter, gibbon or gorilla? Answer. A gibbon is shorter than a gorilla. Which is higher, Burj Khalifa or Petronas Towers? Answer. The Burj Khalifa is higher than the Petronas Towers. Which is brighter, a flashlight at night or a room light during the day? Answer. A room light during the day is brighter than a flashlight at night. Thank you for playing.